friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because it is FabFitFun unboxing day. Look at how pretty this spring box is. Like, the colors are so pretty. I know there was 3 different choices. Well, I guess they're not choices. They picked them at random. But there was a purple box and also a pink box. And this one is so pretty, the yellow. And it's pink on the inside, which is super cute. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button down below if you like what you see. I make weekly videos on all things mommy, including shopping hauls, unboxings, and reviews. I'm finding that those are like my favorite types of videos to make. And just generally things that I like. So if you like the types of things that I like, then subscribe and catch up with me. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. In the States, it's $49.99 for a box. I will leave a link down below and also a coupon code, which is SPRINGLOVE, and you will get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box if you order using my link and the code. So the first thing that you get in the box is this magazine, and the magazine shows all the things that were options to come in the box, and then the prices. And then I really like these also because it gives you like ideas of how to use the things as well. So this season was a little different with FabFitFun. I'm not sure if I like the way that they did it, but it was different. So usually if you're an annual member, which I am, you get to choose 5 of the things that are in the box. If you're a select member, you get to choose 3 of the things that are in the box. And that just means that you pay per box, so quarterly, whereas I pay for an entire year. So I have the option to choose more of the things that I would want in my box instead of just leaving it up for random grabs, right? So the first change that they made this season was to do throwback items. And at first I wasn't like super stoked about this because I figured if I didn't choose it before in a separate box, why would I want it for this box? But then it dawned on me, if I don't like any of the options, that I could go back and choose something from the throwback, which is what I did with this first item. So this is the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote Bag. And this was a throwback. I didn't choose it, and then I remember I was actually really upset that I didn't choose it afterwards. So I'm happy this was one of the throwbacks. This one retails for $50, and it's a nice beach bag. I love that it has a pocket on the inside because I carry an iPod around with me. Yes, I'm old school like that. And it is a nice big inside, so it's easy to find stuff. And then it also has this this clasp up here, and it's magnetic, which I really like for the beach as well. Also, I try with my selections to like theme my box, and this season, I chose to do all the travel type stuff that they offered because we plan on doing a lot of traveling this year with Luna. And so this was like the first thing that will go with my travel stuff. The next thing that I chose were these CalPack packing cubes. And I got them in the sorbet color. There was options for sorbet, and the other option was Tutti Frutti, and the Tutti Frutti had like pictures of fruit on it, so I didn't really like it. Packing cubes are a big deal for me. So my husband and I have backpacked all around the world, and in our backpacks, if we didn't have packing cubes, like, we would be screwed. Like, you need to have packing cubes in order to separate everything and be able to find things on the fly. And when you're staying in hostels in little remote towns, like, you don't need lots of stuff. You just need what's in your backpack. And I mean, 3 packing cubes is all I can fit into my backpack. So this year, when we go backpacking with Luna, I probably will need an extra set of packing cubes, and we'll probably just have to split them up between like my husband's backpack and mine. So these packing cubes retail for $40. What I really like about them, there's 2 things. So on the front here, it has like a removable thing that you can label them so you know exactly what's in it. But they are see-through as well. They've got the mesh so you can tell what's in it. And then also what's really cool is on the back, it has a zipper. So you don't actually have to use a whole cube to like pack your socks and underwear and stuff. You could just do it in the backside of these packing cubes. I don't know, I really like that. The only thing I will say though is that these are really large in size. Like mine are probably like half this size, the ones that I have already. So I would probably use these in a suitcase instead of taking them backpacking. So the next item was the thing that I was like the most excited to have in this box because I am a sleep mask girl. I have probably 12 sleep masks. I cannot sleep without one. And like I have them in all my travel bags. I just like, I know if I'm going anywhere, I'm going to have a sleep mask with me. So I was really excited about this one. So this is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. It retails for $39.99 and it's only like a pound or so heavy. I will tell you though, I have used it for the last 2 nights, and each morning I woke up with pain in my neck because the mask is too heavy. And like, I'm so sad about it. I love it because when you put it on, it has really good coverage around the bottom. So that was really cool. But I noticed that like if I'm turning my head in the nighttime, I'm almost straining myself because I've got a weight on my face. So I probably won't be using it because I have neck problems and back problems to begin with. And like, I don't need to add extras to it. But this one was really sad for me, guys. Like I really, really, really wanted this. Next up is this Pur Lisse Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polishing peel. I'm not really a huge fan of all the face things that FabFitFun puts in. This was one of the things that they just chose for me. And oh, so I should mention that the second thing that they did this season that wasn't like all the other seasons was they chose 8 things. And then they randomly gave you 3 things out of those 8 things. So you had like no choice. Whereas in other seasons before, they would give everybody like the same 3 things. So, I mean, it works for me because my best friend and my sister both have subscriptions as well. And so we'll be able to trade things off that we don't like and get things that they didn't like. So, I mean, it kind of works out. And I am going to trade my sister for the lip balm that I didn't get, but I really wanted. But it's better if everybody gets the same thing. I don't know. So this is a really pretty pink package, the Pur Lisse, like it. And it retails for $35. Next up are the Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws. I was actually really excited to get these as well. So pretty much everywhere you go now, I live in Canada, everywhere you go now, they actually don't give you straws anymore. And you have to ask for one, and usually when you do get them now, they're all paper straws, which is awesome. So these are silicone, and they are pretty wide, so you might be able to still drink a smoothie with that. And what I really like about them is that they come with the brush cleaner. So you make sure you get all the gunk out of it, especially if you're using them to drink smoothies, right? That's really cool. Oh man, that's a little hard to get out. So it comes with 4 straws, and the colors are so pretty. Perfect for spring. I really like all the Chic and Tonic products. And these straws, they retail for $15. I just noticed in the box, they also come with a cute case, so you can carry them around with you, and you can have one attached to like your keychain. So anytime you go out, you're never gonna have to ask for a straw. Like, how cool is that? Oh, that's pretty cool. Those will also be perfect for traveling as well. So the next thing is also super cool for traveling. And I didn't realize how small this was actually going to be, but it is really, really tiny. So this is the Speakwa Sound Company wireless speaker. I really like the color of it. It's so cute. Look how tiny and cute that is. It's like a little pebble. So this one retails for $24.99. It's a Bluetooth speaker, so you can pair it with your phone or your iPod if you're old school like me and like to use an iPod still. So next up is this body oil, and I gotta look at the paper to tell you what it's called because it's got a super long name. Okay, so it's Jaboneria Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. And y'all, this one costs $68. That's more than the box costs. So that's really cool. It's nice packaging. All this mint color is like everywhere. So I chose this one. This was one of the things that I got to choose. And I chose this because I'm almost out of lotion. And I thought a body oil would be really cool for after the bath. So that's what I chose for this one. And I think I'm really going to like it. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it's like lemongrass or something. That smells really good. All right, so the very last thing in this box is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. And this is by This Works. And I have another product from them, which is like a sleep spray. And it really actually does work. So I'm excited about this one. This is, so you're supposed to use it nightly after bathing. I guess you would... Look at this girl. Say hi, Loons. Are we camera shy now? Say hi. Wave. There we go. So I'm just gonna give this one a smell test now. Oh, it smells exactly like the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. This retails for $40. Oh my goodness. The last two products that were in this box were over $100 already. So, I mean, this box was definitely well worth it. There's a ton of stuff in here that I will use. So if you guys would like to get your hands on a FabFitFun Spring 2020 box, check out the link down below in the description box. I'll leave it there for you. Also with the coupon code SPRINGLOVE for $10 off of your first box. Let me know in the comments if you have a FabFitFun box, what your favorite product was from this season. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the thumbs up button to like this video. And I will catch up with you guys next week in a new video. Bye!